everyone, let's tour one of the most stunning private estates for under $2 million. This luxury home sits on 1-acre lot with an unobstructed golf course view, offering a perfect blend of elegance, space, and endless possibilities for you and your family. Just imagine cruising home in your dream car, to your private enclave, or having plenty of room for your boat and outdoor activities. This estate is more than just a home. It's your private paradise. Now, with all that being said, let's go inside and have a look. Please let me know if you have any question about this property, and don't forget to follow me for more real estate content.